This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Arbitrum ETH on Trust Wallet. First, ensure your Trust Wallet is properly set up and secured. You'll need some BNB or regular ETH in your wallet to cover transaction fees, also known as gas. We'll walk through connecting to a decentralized exchange within the Trust Wallet browser. This method simplifies the process, making it accessible even for those new to crypto. Let's get started with the initial setup steps. Once your Trust Wallet is ready, you'll need to fund it. Transfer some BNB or Ethereum from a centralized exchange directly to your Trust Wallet address. Next, open the D-App browser within Trust Wallet. This browser allows you to interact with decentralized applications. We will then find a reputable bridge service to transfer your existing assets onto the Arbitrum network, preparing them for the swap. This step is crucial for accessing Arbitrum's ecosystem. With your assets bridged to Arbitrum, it's time to swap. Navigate to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or SushiSwap within your Trust Wallet's D-App browser and connect your wallet. Choose the token you want to exchange, for example, UST or Wrapped ETH, and select Arbitrum ETH as the receiving asset. Always double-check the transaction details, including the amount and potential fees, before confirming the swap. This ensures a smooth and successful transaction. After the swap is complete, check your Trust Wallet to confirm that your Arbitrum ETH balance has updated correctly. It might take a few moments for the transaction to fully process on the blockchain. For security, always remember to disconnect your wallet from any decentralized application once you've finished your transactions. This practice minimizes potential risks. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals. Staying informed is key to navigating the crypto world safely and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.